memandu laju sehingga menyebabkan kematian.
Bas dipandu terlalu laju mengorbankan 14 nyawa.
Bas itu agak laju, terhuyung-hayang sebelum terbalik.
2 maut manakala 3 lagi parah dalam kemalangan melibatkan bas.
Bas yang dipandu melebihi had kelajuan dibenarkan.
According to the Sun News 2025, heavy vehicle accident, especially bus and trailers, always become the news and media headline. Accidents involve of heavy vehicles usually will cause death compared to crash that involve smaller vehicles. The main problem that contribute to this issue is high speed. Heavy vehicles tend to travel at higher speed on the road. Despite having speed limit signs, many drivers ignore it, and also there are lack of strict speeding penalties. Drivers feel that the risk of getting caught is low. That's why they drive too fast. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or called as IIHS, report that in 2022, driving over speed limit caused nearly 29% of all road deaths, with over 12,000 cases. In August 2018, Malay Mail News report Rapid KL bus was speeding and swerving in traffic dangerously before crash with several cars. This shows that high speed increase the chances of accident because drivers have less time to react and need longer distance to stop or slow down. The root cause is the behavior of drivers who are inconsiderate, impulsive, and ignore traffic rules. In line with the theme, public transport, a reach beyond the horizon, lead the way with our innovative solution. Our group proposed the idea of the Freight and Transit Oversight System, or called as Ftos. It is an innovative road safety solution designed to monitor speed violation in real time among public transport and heavy vehicles in Malaysia. This system provides immediate alerts and signal to the authorities such as JPJ, Road Transport Department, and Traffic Police whenever a vehicle exceeds the speed limit. The aim of the project is to effectively implement Ftos in all Malaysian public and freight vehicles, making sure every heavy vehicle is equipped with speed monitoring technology. Second is to position Ftos as a leader in the adoption of innovative technologies of speed monitoring in Malaysia public transport sector. And lastly, to ensure that Ftos meet international standards for safety and technology that encourage global benchmarking and recognition of Malaysia's commitment to transport safety and innovation.
Our project, the Freight Transit Oversight System (FTOS), aims to improve road safety by reducing accidents caused by speeding and reckless driving. It helps ensure drivers follow traffic laws through regular monitoring and alerts. Another goal is to raise awareness and encourage safer driving habits among drivers. FTOS will be used in all heavy vehicles and public transport across the countries, covering all roads. The system starts working when the vehicle engine starts, using satellite and GPS to track speed and location. If a driver breaks the speed limit, an alert is sent to the vehicle operator. After 3 violations, authorities are notified, and the incident is recorded for possible penalties or for future checks. This system makes sure the speed violations are managed quickly and effectively, helping keep roads safer for everyone. To support our project idea, we looked at the study in 2020. The study focused on using deep learning models such as convolutional neural network CNN. The study focused on intelligent system capable of detecting dangerous driving behaviors like speeding, harsh braking, and erratic lane changing. The system works by analyzing data from in-vehicle camera feeds and sensors to spot whether the driver is engaging in risky behavior. The study showed that this technology can process large amount of data quickly and accurately identify driver behavior and traffic violation. This research is highly relevant to our Ftos project because we plan to use similar technology to continuously monitor vehicle speed. By applying deep learning models, Ftos can track speeding more accurately and in real time. When violations are detected, the system can alert authorities immediately for quick action. This approach will help improve road safety and ensure better enforcement of traffic rules for heavy vehicles, including road public transport. To show how similar technology is already being used, let's take a look on fleet telematics in Australia with an example from Truck Pro. It is a tool that helps track vehicle operation, monitor driver behavior, and improve transport safety. Report shows that the company that using it experienced a 40% improvement in traffic rule compliance and a 25% reduction in insurance costs. While telematics is mainly used to track and monitors, our Ftos project improved on this by creating a full oversight system. Ftos doesn't just monitor speed violation, it also enforces rules in real time using AI and proactive alert, immediately notifying authorities. This goes beyond what current telematics solution provide. This allows a quick action against speeding and dangerous driving. Instead of simply adopting current technology, we are upgrading it for wider use, covering more vehicles and offering better safety enforcement.
Today, I would like to talk about the Freight and Transit Oversight Systems, Ftos, in terms of the model of the project. So, Ftos actually consists of four components, and firstly is the real-time speed monitoring, which is the devices that installed in buses, trucks and lorries to track speed in real time. So these devices actually communicate with a centralized management system which process data through all the cloud platforms. So alerts are automatically sent to the drivers and fleet managers if speed limits are exceeded, and repeated violations trigger automated reports to the authorities like JPJ or the police. So the system also logs all the data for analysis and generates detailed reports for accountability. With an easy to use the web interface, fleet managers can monitor their vehicles efficiently and authorities can enforce penalties seamlessly. This system also draws inspiration from global best practices, and for example, we actually adapt Singapore's fleet management system, which integrates real-time monitoring and cloud-based data management for swift actions. From the United Kingdom, we borrowed the concept of the smart tachographs that log speed and driving compliance. And thirdly is the Germany's precision monitoring. So these techniques actually using GPS and AI inspire our predictive analytics to detect high-risk routes. Fourthly is the Japan's public transport safety systems, which influences our focus on automated alerts and AI-driven corrective actions. And lastly, the United States Intelligent Transportation System inspired the use of IoT sensors for data-driven decisions and route optimization. So by combining all these proven global practices and tailoring them to Malaysia's needs, Ftos promises to transform road safety and fleet management in the country.
So today I will continue the presentation with method technology use. So there are 4 technology methods that are used in this Ftos project. First, we use IoT sensors and GIS, Geographic Information System. This is for the data collection. And then we use GPS and GNSS, which is the Global Navigation Satellite System, to track the real-time location of freight vehicles and transit system. So third, we use Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Google Cloud for data processing, storage, and hosting. Lastly, we use Apache, Hadoop, and Spark to analyze large volumes of real-time data. Next, we have structured our project timeline into 4 distinct phases to ensure a systematic and development process. So in the first phase, it took about 6 to 12 months to develop a framework for data collection, transmission, and enforcement. Next phase, development, took about 12 to 18 months for the hardware and the software development. Third phase is a trial run. It took about 6 months to implement the Ftos in certain high-traffic areas. And lastly, countryside rollout. It took about 24 months to gradually expansion to all regions. For the financial implication, the estimated cost for this project is RM595,000.
The first benefit of the Freight and Transit Oversight System, or FTOS, is improved safety and reduced accidents. FTOS uses real-time speed monitoring and automatic alerts to prevent accidents caused by speeding or loss of control. This ensures safer routes for passengers and for other users. When people feel safer, they are more likely to use buses and public transport, and that will increase the ridership. The second benefit is better traffic flow efficiency, where FTOS helps drivers maintain steady and safe speeds, which will reduce the accidents and also traffic jams. This creates smoother traffic flow, shorter travel times, and ensure goods and passengers reach their destination on time. The third benefit is environmental sustainability. By promoting good driving habits and reducing unnecessary speeding, FTOS lowers fuel consumption and emissions. This supports Malaysia's effort to reduce carbon emissions and help make transportation more environmentally friendly. Finally, the fourth benefit is easier enforcement and accountability. FTOS tracks and reports data to ensure bus operators and heavy vehicle companies to follow the rules. It also helps enforcement agencies monitor compliance, hold violators accountable, and build public trust in safe and reliable transport system, which further encouraging people to use them. Overall, the Freight and Transit Oversight System (FTOS) is a smart solution to improve road safety in Malaysia. Using advanced technology like IoT, AI, GPS, and cloud systems, it monitors and enforces traffic rules for public transport and heavy vehicles in real time. FTOS reduces accidents by promoting safe driving and ensuring quick action from authorities like JPJ and the traffic police. With features like detailed reporting, penalty tracking and accurate monitoring, FTOS helps create a safer, more efficient and sustainable road system. It protects passengers, drivers and all road users, making Malaysia's roads safer for everyone.